And now let's meet the starters first for the DFA Emissaries. Team captain and middle blocker number 16, Mitch Olivera. Outside hitter number 20, Kat Magsumbol. Outside hitter number 14, Yvonne Reyes. Opposite spiker number 19, Chenga Barrientos. Middle blocker number 12, Jackie Waga. Setter number 9, DP Babinas. And libero number 3, Jane De Leon. Head coach of the Emissaries is Ralph Christian Galasin. And now let's meet the starting lineup for the PNP Lady Patrollers. Team captain and center number 3, Patrolwoman Tin Bangkola. Middle blocker number 7, Police Corporal Ces Oliveros. Middle blocker number 5, Patrolwoman Chris Etucas. Opposite spiker number 13, Patrolwoman Kia Gomez. Opposite spiker number 20, Patrolwoman Lila Ronquillo. Opposite spiker number 9, Police Corporal Caressa Vicente. And libero number 2, Patrolwoman Rexa Limsiaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers is Police Senior Master Sergeant Rod Penalba. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set with the DFA Emissaries and the PNP Lady Patrollers. This is the UVL Season 2, hashtag win and win, win in sports, and win for charity.
And we are about to put the ball into play. It's the PNP to the right of your picture, the starting line of the DFA and the PNP on your screens.
Ito pa rin yung solid first six ng PNP.
And referee Dimos will be the second referee for this match. And the first serve will belong to the DFA, and all set to do this will be Yvonne Reyes.
DFA number 14, Yvonne Reyes.
Underway, Bangkola, low set. Kept alive by the DFA, which is still yet to win a match in the tournament over 2 seasons, but they've already won 1 set actually. Pabalinas with a fumble on the pass.
And you like what you see now sa DFA, mabilis yung galaw nila. They're ready for PNP.
I understand from our courtside reporters that they do train as vigorously as they possibly can. Alam mo, you may not have the best season, but if you can keep the training in sync, you are going to go place. Magsumbol with a good block. We have DFA's first point on the board.
Yeah, Magsumbol is one of the go-to people dito sa DFA. So whenever she's given the ball, you can expect na more often than not makapuntos siya.
Dayan Pabalinas and her serve, Dana Pabalinas and her serve go awry. And all set to serve will be Kia Bianca Gomez.
Nice serve.
Yes, Gomez is a good, reliable server. Magsumbol gets it to whip against the block.
Pero nakita ni Magsumbol na may 2 blockers in front of her, kaya binilisan niya yung atake niya. Nakalusot yung bola in between the blocks.
Here's the team captain, Olivera. Bangkola with the set. Here comes Pabalinas, her set. Magsumbol drops the message. Kept in play by Tim Bangkola. Cut shot. Pabalinas. They allow it to fly out.
Ganda nung mata ni Gomez, sinundan niya yung bola and she knew it was outside already, kaya pinabayaan na lang niya.
Good serve that time by Princess Joy Oliveros. Bangkola with a bump set.
Good dig.
And Gomez crashing to the floor. We're tied at 3.
Si Reyes was the one who received the ball and attacked the ball. So ang ganda nung pagka-control niya to the middle. Point for them.
Then Bangkola tries to make it as light as possible so that she's not stressed out by the pressure of the game. And this is inside on the serve. The DFA has a lead of 4-3. And Magsumbol has a lethal serve. And she has scored already an ace. Better reception. One-handed set. Magsumbol tracks it down. Had to hustle for it. Bangkola lifts it high. Good shot that time. Coming from Ronquillo, who has had best player awards, and it's 2 points off that baseline by the DFA.
Yeah, twice na yun, no? One from the serve and one from the attack that PNP was not able to compute properly kung inside or outside yun. Dapat talaga nasusundan yung bola.
Magsumbol continues to serve this one, sailing way out. Teresa Vicente will be serving.
Nice set.
Dropped by Ronquillo. Double block is there. Solid, airtight. Tucas and Ronquillo.
Yeah, alam kasi ng PNP kung sino yung main attackers ng DFA. Kaya nakita mo kung paano nila binantayan si Reyes.
Correct. From a 5-3 lead, it is tied at 5, but doesn't last very long as that serve goes awry. Linciaco pulls out Vicente as the libero. There's the punch of a serve. Bangkola, Ronquillo, Cargado, Pabalinas, cut shot, and time and again the DFA catching the PNP out of position.
Ano bang DFA, nakikita mo paglaro nila, they're not thinking that they're the 8th in the team standings.
No, they're not.
Yeah, ganda yung galaw.
All good pickup by Pabalinas. The cut to the back row. Gia Gomez is there. Ronquillo uncorks and scores.
Si Ronquillo naman ang one of the go-to players of PNP. In fact, na-name na siya a couple of times as player of the game.
And that's a check ball. No,
yeah.
clearly so.
And there's the touch of the arm. Ayan, ni Oliveri.
And some faulty ball handling.
Pabalinas tried to save that ball pero tumama yung kamay, yung arm sa bottom tape ng net.
Big serve by Ronquillo. And we can now go to Ira Pablo for this first report of hers. Ira?
Truly a public servant by heart itong si Cheng Abarientos. Nagtapos siya sa kursong Public Administration and Governance sa PUP at nagpatuloy pa siya ng kanyang master's degree in Government Management sa PLM. So 17 years old pa lang siya, SK chairman na siya, and she served for 3 years at nagpatuloy siya bilang barangay kagawad. So 6 years in total in public service. So during her terms, nakafocus daw talaga siya sa sports recreation and sports programs. Tulad nitong UVL, libre daw lahat. Naghahanap siya ng mga sponsors, sagot nila lahat ng uniforms. Ang gagawin lang daw ng mga bata ay sasali sila sa mga team. So very sports-oriented itong si Cheng Abarientos. So when she got her BOE o yung barangay official eligibility, doon na siya pumasok sa civil service at pumasok sa DFA. Balik sa inyo.
And Ira's talking about Rachel Abarientos, who wears number 19 for the DFA. We hope to see her very shortly. But what a great preparation for government service, both academic as well as practical training. Alam mo, sa government service, they put an emphasis on schooling. You have to have masteral degrees.
Right.
You have to have higher degrees for you to be promoted.
That's good.
Kasi it's dapat lifelong learning eh.
Oo.
Hello, lupit, malutong yung palo ni Princess Joy Oliveros.
Kasi kanina miniting na sila ni Team Bangkola sa gitna she talked to the players and to para mapag-igtingin ang kanilang attacks.
Kausap ko nga si Coach Rod briefly. Sabi ko, Coach Rod, buti hindi umiinit ang ulo mo sa gulo nito mga to.
Ano sa amin? Di naman. Medyo.
Natawa na lang siya. Ayun, ako naman ang mali. Yung Abarientos nandun na sa floor. Hindi umiikot kasi yung rotation eh. Hindi, di ba? Hindi umiikot yung rotation kasi puro error nga yung DFA eh. Andun naman, ako naman ang mali. Sorry, Ira. Eto, sino itong magsaserve? Si Bangkola ba to?
Oo, si Bangkola
Ito
to.
si Coach Rafi, hindi na ngumiti
Oh.
ito. Ala.
Ayan, si Coach Rod. Watching the team on the floor.
Kung yan ang coach ko, bibehave ako.
Behave ka.
Di ba? Yung ganyan. Police pa.
Oo.
Oh, well done. Skia Gomez is all business, ha?
Yes. Kia Gomez, ang ganda ng approach niya. She gets the, yung strength ng palo niya from her momentum as she goes up with a
Good point, yeah.
good arm swing.
Kia with 3 points already. Nice drop by Magsumbol, but it's kept alive.
Nice.
Hinabol ni Limsiaco, si Limsiaco. Parang kitikite, parang gagamba all over the floor. Ayaw mahulog for Ronquillo. Ganun dapat yung libero eh. Tama yun.
Oo, from
Palo,
east to west,
palo.
di ba?
Lamang pa rin ang PNP ng isa, 13-12. Ito si Oliveri. Pinalo. Lampas. Tabla tayo sa 13.
And you know, DFA is causing PNP to commit errors.
Correct. Elevation. Ronquillo. Woo! Well done by the DFA. Keeping it.
Oh,
Hey!
nice.
Good effort that time by Gomez. Cut shot by Ronquillo. Still alive. Pabalinas. Looking for a shooter. Looking for a striker. Problematic. It will be a point for the DFA.
Okay. Illegal attack kasi tumalon si Bangkola second row player siya, back row player. There.
Minsan nakakalimutan ng setter yan eh.
I think alam din niya
Na-realize.
after she jumped, she realized mali.
Kinuhang punto different ways. Either tusok or net touch.
Net.
Oh.
Merong net.
14 all.
Yun, si Magsumbol.
Lively game happening right here in this first set. It's tied at 14. Gomez on her serve. Pabalinas. Magsumbol. Gomez. That was okay lang yung catch ni Gomez eh. Yung second ball, medyo problemado. Wala na.
Alam mo, aggressive ang DFA ha. May kita mo kahit na nag-error sila sa first ball, nabubuhay nila sa second.
Totoo yan. Magsumbol. Ooh!
Nice, yeah, what a serve.
High attack. Pabalinas. That is outside. Good try nonetheless. Vicente will serve. Police Corporal.
Free ball.
Opportunity to attack. Good decision to go on two. Too close to the net. Tumawid from Abarientos. Here comes Ronquillo. Punto, sabi ni Magsumbol. Etucas gets it to bite.
Ang sarap panoorin nitong PNP, no? Mabilis kasi yung takbo ni Tin Bangkola ng mga plays. Tinan mo na pa-under niya agad yung middle nila na si Etucas.
Light on her feet si Tin.
Yeah, oo.
Oh! Ira, ano meron niya?
Sir Seth, tuloy natin yung maganda mong idea last time na alamin pa natin kung ano pa ang ginagawa ng iba nating mga UVL teams aside from what we already know. So kilala natin tong DFA na sila ang taga-issue ng ating mga passports, but sabi nila this is just 20% of what they do. Yung 80% daw, it's composed of all of their back offices. So lahat daw ng diplomatic affairs and relations ng Pilipinas with other foreign countries, DFA talaga yung may hawak dyan. So for example, yung mga foreign visits, kung merong may mga gustong mag-invest sa bansang Pilipinas, sila ang may hawak niyan. Hindi lang daw nila masyadong ma-elaborate dahil lahat nga itong mga players na to ay galing sa OCA or yung Office of Consular Affairs. Yan yung mga processing ng mga passport. But in simple terms daw, sila daw ang mga mediators between the Philippines and other foreign countries. So right now, let's listen in to the timeout.
Mo sa likod niya, hindi niya na makukuha yun. Dahil pag ginawa niya ng sundot yun, ibang magsiset open, nakakamakapal.
Alam mo, Ira, pagka natapos itong UBL, meron ka ng MA in Political Science. But
Oo nga.
it's nice to know that aside from passports, syempre, yung government-to-government relations natin. Tapos I'm sure may mga protocol plan. Alam mo yung protocol dyan? Saan nakaposition yung host flag?
Oo nga.
Position of the flag. Saan tatayo yung mga dignitaries, among other things. In the meantime, drop! Nicely done!
Yeah.
Etukas. PNP creating separation here, Chiki.
Si Etukas, pinapakita niya sa atin, kaya niya ang fast balls, hard balls, pati na yung mga hulog. Kaya rin niya. Diversity in her attacks.
Boy, I can't wait for our semifinals.
Oo, ako din.
Going to be quite a battle here. Etukas hits it long. She had the right thing in mind. Zone 1 was apparently open, but hey, too much.
Alam mo, after nung report ni Ira, parang ang sarap magtrabaho sa DFA.
Kasi may opportunity kang mag-travel abroad, di ba?
nga.
Get to be based in a consular office.
Right.
Like I visited the consular office of our government in Seoul. Pati sa Amsterdam, we have a consulate there.
Kamusta naman?
Tagalog, nagkwentuhan. They're happy. They're happy when Filipinos come because, di ba? Pwede silang mag
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Oo.
And it's fascinating to see how diplomacy works in different
Yeah.
levels.
Ano yun? You just went there to ano?
Different reasons. Yung
Okay.
sa Korea, I brought along some fellow teachers. Sa Seoul, I brought
nice.
sa Amsterdam mga students naman. In the meantime, magsumbol. Pabalinas. Hello, Alaveri says, oh, what a set.
Ooh.
Maganda yung bakbakan ng setters. Ala, humiga. Papalo! Bukas ang tapos ito. Nice dig that time. Bancola!
Nice.
Ganda ng set.
Oo. Ang ganda ng set, ang ganda ng palo. Kasi may communication sila ni Bangkola.
Watch this, ha. Kung abutan.
And si Etukas, pinalo niya yung ball on top eh. Kaya talagang pabaon.
Saka bilis ng pace.
Oo.
3-point lead by the lady policeman. Good dig that time by Reyes, and it doesn't cross. Still close here in the first set.
Yeah, good movements coming from DFA.
Yvonne Reyes. Oh, good set. Cargado.
Oo.
Pasok. Gomez has a mean wallop, ha?
Gomez, ang ganda ng ano niya, no, puntos from transition. Kasi,
Oo.
syempre, pumupwesto siya sa defense, pero ang bilis din ng balik niya for offense, eh. Ooh,
And
good
a
serve.
good serve indeed. PNP now with a 4-point lead, trying to make some big steps towards the end of the first set. Here's Bangkola.
Nice.
Oh, nice effort that time by January De Leon. And it's time for a timeout by the DFA.
Pa rin, binitawan nyo pa rin sa receive. Kung nakaka-receive kayo, makaka-atake kayo. Yun lang naman, wala nang ibang pwedeng diskarte. Dahil kung hindi tayo magsisimula sa receive, hindi tayo makaka-receive, hindi tayo makaka-atake. Eh doon pa lang sa receive, patay na tayo. Di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, nandun pa lang sa gitna yung bola, pinalo pa lang yung bola, makikita mo na yung flight niya kung magsushort o maglulong. Ba't aantayin mo pang babagsak sa'yo? Aantayin mo pang malapit na, tsaka ka uupo. Okay nga sana kung aabantihan mo, eh hindi. Bababa ka lang. Hakbang mo yung paa mo. Ulit-ulit naman tayo, Jane eh. 3 buwan ang ganyan sinasabi sa'yo. Bago mo makita na nasa gitna na yung bola, alam mo na yun, go short.
Dinig din natin ng similar refrain ng first game, di ba? Kay Coach Tan. You got to move on defense. And the
Yes.
ball is not going to go near you.
Oo.
You have to move towards it.
Right. Kaya meron tayong mga, 'di ba, sa warm-up, yung mga side steps, yung mga kasi ginagamit 'yun eh, 'di ba? Hindi lang siya pang warm-up.
Inis na inis kang ginagawa. Kasi rather play, but you're right. They are meant for something. All the very with a strike. Here comes drop. Very short that time for Kia Gomez.
Yeah, medyo nagkagulo yung offense ng PNP doon.
Very broken all the way. And we will have Daniel Pabalinas. Tough angle to work with. Gomez makes do. Pabalinas says, I got it. Ronquillo, pababa. Ginawa ng paraan. Magsumbol to the back row. Bancola lifts it high to Gomez. Nakuha, ganda. Oliveri moving well. Huh? She's had to manage some injuries. Oliveri playing patty cake at the net. To the back row. Ronquillo. Reverse. Hello.
Net.
Oo. Na-brush yung net.
The set was just too close to the net, kaya nothing much you could really do dun sa bola ni Vicente.
Okay, DP Pabalinas will be serving their team. Down by just 3 here, but it's in the tail end of the first. Net touch by Oliveri or Magsumbol, either of the two of them.
Caught by the sharp eyes of referee Joy De Imos.
And we're going to have a change in the lineup. Abarientos will move out. And we will have Manabong seeing action first time. Adviento also seeing action. Kia Gomez serving for the set. Out of control, but good intention. She was hoping to make it down the line there.
Humahabol ang DFA.
Kumakatok sa pinto.
Oo.
Debra May Adviento is all set to serve. Woo! Sabi niya. para siyang ninja. And it'll do it.
Yes, Oliveros put an exclamation point in that set to end it. 25-21. Maganda yung galaw ng DFA even if they lost the set. They were loud inside the court. They were confident in their movement.
Yeah, but good
Errors
spirit.
lang.
Good spirit.
Good spirit.
And we will be back with your second set very shortly.
And you are watching the second match for today. Ito ay between DFA Emissaries at ang PNP Lady Patrollers. Nakuha ng PNP in 21 minutes in set 1. The score was 25-21. And the story of that set was, look at the attacks. 13 as opposed to 6. Kasi malalakas din ang services nila eh. Kaya hindi mabigay ng tama sa setter yung first ball. So nahihirapan sila sa attacks. That's why they were limited sa 6 points lang. Aces, 3 ang sa PNP. Pero kung hindi kasi siya ace, out of system eh, yung nagagawa nila sa defense ng DFA. Kaya mas marami silang nararun na plays ang PNP. Kasi nga, mas maganda yung communication inside the court. Bantay sarado nila yung kanilang mga zones. That's why they're able to give that first ball easily at saka maganda yung pagkabigay nila sa setter nila. And of course, dahil si Tin Bangko lang kanilang setter, maganda kahit na medyo out of system, nagagawa ng paraan ni Tin yung kanyang mga bola. Kaya maganda yung setup niya sa attackers parate.
And they having played together for about 2 years now. They feel good, comfortable with each other.
Yeah.
Based on our previous courtside reports, they've had more opportunities to train together compared to last year, wherein it was always a struggle to have the team together.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Kanino ang serve? It will be.
It.
Yep. It will belong to the PNP. First set going the way of the PNP 25-21. Bangkola's serve in play. Magsumbol, standing strike. And it's a point.
Vicente, placement ang ginawa niya sa tira niya. Hindi masyadong malakas pero talagang nahanap yung butas.
Bangkola serve. Pabalinas. Itinaas ni Lim Shaco. And another point for Kia Gomez, who now has 5.
You know, they're targeting Magsumbol kasi pangalawa na yun Una si Vicente sa area ni Magsumbol and then si Gomez. Pinapagod nila si Magsumbol because she's the striker.
Excellent elevation that time for De Leon. Bangkola. Oh,
Good
good. Yep, good battle at the net. Step back. Magsumbol drops to the deck. Olavere to the other side of the universe. Well done by De Leon. Magsumbol. And it ends in a miscalculation.
I was gonna say, ang ganda nung set ni Magsumbol. Kaya lang yun nga, na miscalculate lang ni Reyes.
And it's 3-0. Mancola still serving. She started off all of us here in the second set. Left-handed shot by Olivere. Mancola's one-handed
Right.
set. Oh, well done.
Ang ganda nung hulog. Was that Oliveros?
Yes,
Number 7, yes.
they had to be creative because they were so close to the net. 4-0. Mancola continues to serve.
Serve.
Free ball.
Oo. Chance.
And it's 5 straight points by the PNP.
Unang pumasok dun si Olivero, so she had to make some adjustments but she still managed to bring in the point for her team.
Mancola still there. 6 straight serve. Pabalinas. Becomes a set from Lim Shaco. Vicente playing at the net. Reyes sends it to the back. Ronquillo tracks it down. Gomez. Cut shot. Lim Shaco. Bangkola. Vicente. Success. That's 6 straight points by the Lady Patrollers. Cairo will come in to replace Reyes.
Bangkola pa rin ang nagsaserve para sa PNP.
Ang pito.
Oo.
Olivera fires a left-handed shot. Still in play. First point of the DFA.
Kailangan take advantage ng DFA. They were given that point. Sakyan na nila yun, to build their momentum.
They're falling behind by 5 here.
Serving number 1.
Dario. One-handed pickup by DP and it dies in the water there.
Sayang, mataas pa naman yung pagka-save ni Pabalinas. So, kailangan lang aggressive on that second ball if your first ball was taken by your setter.
And let's go with the serve of Kia Bianca Gomez. Who leads the PNP scoring parade with 6 points up to this moment. Well, a very good shot. That's blocked and out.
Yeah, that went outside kasi Magsumbol was still on her way to the block. So, moving block siya. Kaya nakalusot yung bola ng PNP.
Service
PNP pulling away by 7 here. Set up by DP. Oh, Magsumbol with a load up there. Ira, what do you have?
Punta naman tayo istorya dito sa PNP. We know that they are police women, but there's more to the PNP than just that. So they are composed of 11 or 12 units daw. Hindi pa daw nila kabisado dahil sa sobrang lawak nga nitong PNP. And those 11 or 12 units is divided into 2 departments. So merong operation, merong administrative. If we go to operation, marami pa daw branches yan. Merong SAF, Special Action Force, merong maritime group in charge of the waters o yung mga karagatan. Sila rin daw yung responsible sa poaching, yung mga nagnanakaw ng mga dolphin, ng mga sea turtles. Yan yung mga pinoprotektahan din ng PNP. Meron ring territorial, may aviation in charge of hijacking. So hindi lahat ng police women ay in charge of arresting. Meron din silang intelligence group na branch. They're responsible for the cyber crimes and meron silang department para sa anti-kidnapping. So ang daming iba't ibang departamento dito sa PNP na hindi nila mapaliwanag sa akin na agad-agad, pero isa lang daw ang pinaka-main goal nitong PNP, and of course that is public safety. Balik sa inyo.
Wow!
Another good report, Ira.
Oh, what a report.
In the meantime, yung cyber crimes, yan ang mahirap tutukan.
Oo.
No? Like a country like ours, maraming challenges in the meantime. But they're taking on it, and the ball drops to the floor. And the DFA gets its 5th point.
Nicely done by Magsumbol. Hinintay niyang pababa yung blockers. Doon niya pinasok yung bola. No coverage there.
PNP staying mostly with this lineup that they've had. Want to show.
Oh, wow.
Yun ang nakatulog sa pansitan talaga. Princess Joy Oliveros apologizing, saying, wow, that's unforgivable.
That must have been a really fast serve.
But you know, it does happen, ha? Yung ganun mabilis. Bangkola with a low set, undelivered, however. It's battled at the net.
Oh,
And that's pushed away from the exchange area.
sometimes sa sobrang gigil mo na gusto mo nang makapuntos, natatapon mo na lang over the net without really thinking yung kung saan ang position mo sa floor.
Giselle Paginado will come in, and another player from last year's team, Marilu Padilla, will come in for the first time for the Philippine National Police. Yung nadinig yung dolphins and sea turtles, pinopoach nga pala yun. And double contact.
Ganda nung aggressive hit by Magsumbol, recognizing na the blockers were not fully set up.
Yeah, they were in a confused state actually. 3-point lead by the policewoman. That is picked up from downstairs by the libero, De Leon. Good save that time. Onquillo, Magsumbol, Dairo. This set still in play. Ooh, whoa! Good track down by Paginado. DP. Long rally. How will it end? Ronquillo. Magsumbol. Cut shot. Dumped into the middle by Etukas.
You know, the defense was there. Sinaround na nila. Alam na nila nahulog yun Kaya lang, nobody took the extra step forward to get that ball.
Ronquillo serve. Babalinas. Dairo. Sharp but handled. This one is also loaded, but it's also taken care of. Oh, easily done. Paginado with the perfect set.
Oh, ang ganda nung ginawa ng PNP. Kunyari, titirahin pa ni Padilla kasi, para to disguise na nasa kanila pa yun.
5-point lead by the PNP here in the second set. It took the first 25-20. Oh, short on that try by Jasmine Dairo. We'll have Yvonne Reyes come in for Dairo. Ira has another report. Go.
The only policewoman that is part of the elite group from the PNP is Tata Paginado. So siya yung nag-undergo ng the most rigid training dito sa PNP Lady Patroller. So ang tawag dyan ay yung commando course nila dahil gusto daw sana salihan to ni Tin Bangcola pero sinabihan niya siya na wag na lang dahil sa sobrang hirap nga ng pinagdaanan nitong si Tata. So the training took 1 year and 6 months to complete dahil hindi lang daw sila nagte-training, sumasabak daw sila sa operations talaga. So she is part of the Special Action Force that is the elite group of the PNP. So yung entrapment, yung pag-surrender ng mga firearms, pag-recover ng firearms na experience daw niya. Ang pinakamahirap na pinagdaanan daw niya ay yung training dahil nga yung lalaki at yung babae sabay yung training, although yung mga lalaki lang daw yung mga umaakyat ng bundok at naghahanap ng mga NPA. Yung mga babae naiiwan sila sa baba para hintayin at salubungin yung mga lalaki na may mga naaresto o may mga nakuha. So ang hirap daw nung conditioning, lahat ng binubuhat ng mga lalaki ay binubuhat din nila. Paghawak ng barel, sabay din sila sa training sa mga lalaki, pati yung water and yung food discipline dahil daw kailangan kontrolado lahat. Hindi nila lahat mabubuhat paakyat ng bundok, kaya yung disiplina sa pagbuhat ng pagkain at ng tubig ay kinokontrol talaga nila. Balik sa inyo.
Wow, what a report. Thanks again, Ira. Galing pa na ni Paginado. Oh my goodness. Huwag mong kakaawayin yan. Diba? Well-trained.
Meron ako mga kilala gusto kong padaanin dyan sa training na yan.
Pwede, kaya nila.
Itong nasa harap ko. Itong nasa kaliwa ko. Itong tatlo rito. Buti kong mabuhay itong tatlong to. No, but there are different levels of training and you have to be physically fit for it. Hindi naman yan just or basta-basta. Inside yan.
Nice. Oh, ganda nung target ni Magsumbol. Talagang corner ng zone 1.
7-point lead by the PNP. And Pambalinas, DP serve. Paginano. Oh, that's perfectly inside. Ang lutong.
Oh, ganda nung tira ni Gomez. Long and hard.
Oliveros and Gomez conniving to produce the most points with the PNP. Oliveros with 8. Gomez has 7. That sails down. De Leon. Oh, it rubs off her.
Nicely done by Paginado. Ang ganda ng kanyang distribution of sets.
Now, can't help but admire the attitude of BFA. Okay, we haven't won
Yes.
anything, but we're here, we're competing, we're playing, we're having fun. We will do our earnest best. We may not win, but rather be here.
Papahirapan.
Yeah?
Di ba? Papahirapan yung kalaban.
Reyes ends up short, and it's a 10-point lead by the PNP.
Si Coach Ralph on your screen.
Lagi nila sa labong ang kilay nito. Coach Raff eh. Good set. Magsumbol. Tosses it over. Paginado. Good shot that time by Padilla.
Marami ring arsenal ang PNP. Kaya maganda yung naiikot ng setter nila yung bola, whether front row, back row, meron siyang pwedeng gamitin.
May mga player nga na wala pa dito today, Si Hazel magpantay. Lakas ng player.
Oo nga, right.
In the meantime, this serve is too long. It is 19-9. All set to serve will be number 12. Jackie Waga. Jackie serve in play. Paginado. Block.
Block.
Oh, good recovery. Ganda ng recoil, but just out of control.
Oh, good read by Reyes. Yan, hindi niya pinapasok ang tira ni Oliveros.
PNP by 9. High serve. Kinuha, no? Mukhang pa-out, pero sige na. And there's a battle at the net. One-handed lift up by Padilla. She strikes. It is still in play. Chase down. Paginado. Lalim ng kuha ni Magsumbol. Who has to get up quickly. Paginado. Huli. Up. No whistle. We play on. Oh, well done. Gomez.
Sabi ni Gomez, ang haba na no, tutuldukan ko na.
Tama na.
Malaki yung butas sa zone 1. Doon, down the line.
We have Bancola back in. Vicente back in. Bancola service too strong. 20-11. 11 will be serving now, and Reyes will do that. Ronquillo. Bancola.
Oh, outside.
Vicente with a smile, and she couldn't do much about that. That's too strong.
Alam niya na kinulang lang siya sa wrist action. That's why the ball went outside.
Long.
Yun din.
Sa barat tingin niya doon sa bola. Oh.
Bakit ka lumipad ng sobra?
Ganyan. Sabi ni Reyes. Lift it up. And it dies in the water. It is 22-12 already. Here's Gomez.
Oh,
Olivera. Whenever you jump to
Yeah.
throw a dig, it's usually going to be a miscue. Let's listen into the timeout of the DFA.
Compose lang, hayaan nyo lang.
Ano, kung tayo first ball, yung service kasi hindi naman ganun kabigat. Hindi tatapatan mo lang. Ha? Pero para makakonvert tayo ng atake.
Wala kasing mabibigay na instruction o diskarte kung sa pasa pa lang, wala na. Kanina ko pa sinasabi yun. Kung walang receive, kahit anong diskarte, setterman o spiker, wala tayong mabibigay na instruction. So, kailangan lang talaga pasa. Pag-usapan nyo yung pasa.
pasa talaga is the key. Kasi kanina pa talaga nahihirapan. Very challenged ang DFA sa mga services ng PNP. Kasi loaded ang services ng PNP. So, again, you have to be able to read the ball before it goes over the net. Alam nyo na yan kung matatansya mo na kung short, kung long, kung saan ka pupwesto. Kailangan ka bang mag-slide to the right or slide to the left?
Magsumbol. Good chase down.
Yeah.
Is it going to cross over? It does. De Leon. Pinahihirapan niyo ako. Sabi ni Magsumbol. Akala ko patay na yung bola doon sa kabila. Set point para sa PNP.
Mahirap talaga kapag over-receive kasi matitinding na sa front line ngayon ng PNP.
And that's too long. Too much heat on that one. 24-13. Here's a Barrientos and her serve, and it's a two-set point save by the emissaries.
Barrientos doing a good job from the service zone.
Rodquillo, Bancola, and natapos ang second set.
Oo, sabi ni Vicente, game na. Tama na. Well, I I still like the movement of DFA. They were not playing like they're in the bottom of the team standings, like they lost the first set. Maganda pa rin yung energy level nila. Nagkaroon lang talaga ng mga errors because ang titindi ng mga services ng ng PNP.
2-0 lead by the PNP. We will have third set action coming your way after these.
All right. So we are entering set 3 of the game between DFA Emissaries and the PNP Lady Patrollers. Yung second set, nanalo na naman doon ang PNP. They took that in 1 minute faster than the first set, 20 minutes. Okay, and that ended in 25-14. And the story was, again, very, very limited ang DFA in their attacks because the services of the Lady Patrollers were just too strong. Na-challenge talaga sila doon. They could not come up with a good first ball. Serve receive was really a problem for DFA. And ang Lady Patrollers naman took advantage of that. That's why they had more attack points, 16 as opposed to 4. Wala silang blocks because there was really no need for blocks because most of the returns ng DFA were lob balls, yung mga matataas, palobo. So, kaya 0 ang kanilang blocking points doon.
But I like your observation that the DFA, they're moving well. Siguro they based on the last game also, no? They have been practicing diligently.
Yeah.
Alam mo kung minsan yung tournament mo is the practice eh.
Oo nga.
Diba? If your season is not going that
Yeah.
well,
Yeah.
okay, let's use the tournament, the training, papawis tayo, let's try to get better.
Yeah.
And I think they are. In terms of, I think they are 1 or 2 players just short of, it's not the setter position, it's an attacker. They need an open spiker siguro.
Yeah.
Nakatulong ni magsumbol actually.
Oo.
They have Santa Maria on the floor already. Some other players will see action also para sa kupunan ng PNP. Tejada is already there, one of their veterans. So it's now unloading the rest of the bench because everybody has to play in the UNTV Cup, in the UNTV volleyball season. So number 14 is also on the floor for the PNP. That's Salas. Padilla. That's Salas. It does not crawl over.
You know, si Salas, pwede siyang libero, pwede din siyang attacker.
Oo nga pala, no?
Diba? There was a time, libero siya.
And as always, the libero is, you can choose 2 liberos, but you can only assign them at the start of the game. Hindi pwede biglang magpapalit ng uniforme.
Oo. Hindi
Magsumbol. Drops a message, and quickly the DFA 2 points on the board.
Yeah, now it's DFA's turn to make a quick return dahil nagkaroon ng regalo para sa kanila.
And now they're playing with a much... life is unfair sometimes, you know. You're just about getting ready to get going, and then a service break. Well,
Now serving number 4.
2-1.
Oh, good save.
Short.
Yeah.
2-all. And just like that, your 2-0 lead disappears.
Pero gusto mo yun di ba? As a coach na hinabol ng mga players mo imbis na pinanood.
Yun ang masakit.
Oo.
Pinanood lang. Santa Maria mishandles the reception.
Gumalaw kasi si Olavere, kaya akala ni Santa Maria kukunin.
Yeah, that's always a problem. Solid serve by Paginado. But it brushes Padilla.
Si Magsumbol, siya, no? Very confident when she hits that ball. You like that as one of your leaders.
Update na. Okay. Makuha? Hindi. Makuha? Oo. Okay, fine. We play on. Paginado. Tough set. Problemado yung set na yun. Padilla unable to make do.
Oh, mahirap gawa ng paraan yun. Sobrang wide and it was close to the net.
Merong pwede mag-hook yan, pero kung minsan yung sanay ka lang hook towards the left. You may not always know how to do it both sides. As Paginado has to chase it down. Padilla with a spike. Here's a reformatted formation. Inside.
Nice hit there by Padilla. Long and hard. There goes that bump set. Meron din siyang kargado yung palo niya kasi nga yung momentum niya malayo yung pinanggalingan niya.
The judiciary against the AFP in our last game today. Elevation, Ronquillo. Got it.
Si Ronquillo kanina ang first two sets medyo she wasn't really okay with her hits. Parang sa kanya nami-miss hit niya, but that was a good one.
And she has now collected 5 points. It's still Gomez and Oliveros leading the scoring parade. And here's too much heat on that particular try by Revy Salas. Michelle Olivere, the captain. Santa Maria. Well done, Magsumbol.
Oh, yung mga tira ni Magsumbol, binibilisan din niya para hindi pa prepared ang floor defense, nakapasok na bola niya.
DFA has a slight lead here in the third. Ako. Ronquillo.
Yeah, that was too fast for the setter to get. So, kailangan mas mataas yung bola.
Saka ang baba Kailangan may allowance ng konti. In the meantime, Olivere.
Ooh, good up.
And Magsumbol burns them.
Yeah.
DFA with a 3-point lead.
Magsumbol, very quick to react. Nabalik niya yung bola agad. Magulo pa yung floor defense ng PNP. There you go.
Yes, Ira, what do you have?
Newly engaged itong si Ivy Salas of the PNP. So she celebrated her birthday last May 23 at doon din daw nag-propose yung kanyang soon-to-be husband. So yung kanyang fiancé is also from the PNP at naging classmate nga daw nitong si Barbie Tejada when they were undergoing their basic schooling sa PNP. So yung kanyang fiancé ay naglaro rin sa palarong pambansa sa basketball naman, kaya naman very supportive siya sa mga volleyball games nitong si Ivy. Minsan nga nanonood siya ng mga games, pero ngayon dahil Wednesday may duty siya sa PNP kaya wala siya ngayon dito sa Paco Arena. But because she's newly engaged, 50-50 pa raw siya for the next season dahil she's very keen on starting a family already. So let's listen into the timeout.
Kailang nag-aano sa sarili nyo, kailang nag-pressure, bawi lang. Sir. Baby! Baby! Ayan, sir.
Sasabihin ko sana, walang silbi yung kanyang fiancé.
Bakit?
Wala rito
Pero mukhang inspired naman siya.
Yan, hindi. Tsaka, kaya nga dalawa na error Hindi na iniisip yung volleyball
Oh, yung kasal na ang iniisip.
I like yung sabi niya, I don't know what the future, but Ila has up for me, but I want to start a family. Okay yan. Okay yan. Pala nyo, madaling gawin yun. Di ba, no, Chiki?
Oo.
Pala nyo, madali yan.
Ang alin, yung service or start the family?
Both. You start the family. Masarap yan sa umpisa. Kasi malihit pa. Sige, pag napuyat, naging teenager, bahala ka buhay.
Naku, yung mga obedience problems.
Di bale. Oh! Lively action. Magsumbol, tosses it over. Binutasan sila.
Oh, ang ganda nung ginawa ni Paginado. Kasi nakita niya nagkakagulo pa yung floor defense, kaya pina-under niya yung middle for a fast play, pasok ang bola, puntos agad.
That's a tall front line for the PNP. Tejada, Ronquillo, and
Padilla.
Oh, naipit si Tejada.
Mabilis si Magsumbol when it comes to the net. Kaya you have to really watch out for her. Although in that time, na-over na yung set.
Oo. 11-6 po ang ating bilang. Ronquillo. Ganda ng pick up ni De Leon.
Oo. Oh,
Lampas. Santa Maria overcooking that. Bangcola will return and Vicente as well. Bangcola will pull out Padilla while Vicente will pull out Paginado.
okay. Para full front line ang PNP.
Saka back, hindi yan yung starting lineup. Then Bangcola with a good serve.
Yeah.
Double contact.
She was running pa habang when she touched the ball. Kaya hindi sabay yung kamay niyang tumama sa bola.
You have to have your feet under you,
Yeah.
planted, and then
Correct.
at pantay yung hands mo eh. Kasi pag lihis,
Yun na yun.
i-spin ng mali yan. And that's inside. That will be 12 points against 8. 4-point lead by the DFA.
Good hit there
Yeah.
by Santa Maria. Blockers were there, but she went over the blockers for that.
Trying to steal a set here. 2 set to love lead though by the PNP. One-handed set. That is perfectly done.
Oo nga, parang nagkindatan lang dyan eh, di ba? Si Bangcola at saka si Barbie. Kaya kuha agad ni Barbie eh.
And Barbie Tejada has her first point. 3-point lead by the DFA. Steady hands of Ronquillo. Abalinas. Magsumbol. Ronquillo. And again, that contact, that connection.
Yes. Again, when you have a good first ball, you're able to run your middle. And you want to run your middle because it's a fast offense. Yun.
12, Gis. Ronquillo. Regalo. Hindi na ibaon ni Salas. One more time around the block. Nice slide by Pabalinas. Magsumbol. Well done.
Ganda ng ikot ng bola ni Bangcola. She went for the outside, she went to the middle. She's giving everybody a chance to score for the team. Kanina pa maganda yung connection nila ni Barbie eh.
Tejada brings them within a point.
Service ako yun. Service ako. Sorry, akin.
Umusta ka na doon. Tapos pumunta ka dito, Mau. Para yung receipt mo. Para hindi ka nahihirapan, tumatakbo ka pa.
Oo nga po, dapat doon ako.
Tapos yung pakinggan mo nga ako. Pagka yung mga ino-open nila yung dulo kasi alam na nila yung dulo-dulo natin na 1-5. Kung hindi setter yung gitnang-gitna. Butas na yung gitna nila. Pagka sa free ball tayo, pag misreceive free ball, magbibigay tayo ng free ball sa kabila. Wag na, basa muna. Pagka hindi sila umabante, dulo-dulo. Pero pagka na-anticipate nila, drop nyo lang sa gitna. Pagka hirap ka, kahit power tip lang.
Lamang tayo. Power tayo, guys. Sino muna sa let's go. Punas lang? Pwede mahiwa dito. Tara. Okay ka lang.
Alam mo, yung mga teams na maganda ang pinagsamahan that eventually leads to good teamwork and chemistry, madaling makahabol eh. Madaling mambura ng lamang. Tatlo yung lamang ng DFA kanina. Ito'y a thing of the past na. And a chance now for the PNP to tie it up.
What a serve.
De Leon. And unfortunately, it's her face that caught the ball.
Tsaka alam mo, pag maganda yung chemistry ng team, even if 3 points na lamang yung kalaban mo, hindi nagpapanik eh. They're still, they know their system.
Actually, the word side out is no longer
Yeah.
as used the way it was before. No? But coaches still use that galing
Yes.
din sa old school. Side out tayo.
Oo.
Para makuha mo yung serve. At para makauwi ka din ang rotation ninyo. Samantala, PNP has stuck the DFA score to just 12. Ronquillo. And that's a little too heated. Sobrang oras sa microwave. And that 13 all.
Alam mo, gusto mo to, di ba? From DFA. Oh, looks like Magsumbol is being taped.
Yeah, and she was replaced a moment ago. Ira, could you find out siguro?
Oo, ano nangyari?
Uh-oh. Oliveri has to react quickly. That's a bad set.
overset.
Yeah, she knew it. Ira, ano meron?
Itong kanang kamay ni Kat Magsumbol ay meron daw matagal ng sugat at nung natamaan medyo dumugo during the game. So right now they're taping it para makabalik siya sa laro. Balik sa inyo.
Okay, so it's an old injury, huh? In the meantime, this serve does not cross over, and the PNP has pulled across anew at 14. Tejada will be serving. Barbie has already scored 3 points. Overpass.
Oh,
Kagulo. Hindi lang naibaon. Bangkola goes to Salas. Chance to attack. Oliveri slaps it over. Salas reaches for it. Here's a cut shot by Oliveros. Oliveri has trouble finding an angle. That will work. Oliveros connects.
ang ganda ng mga habol ng PNP, oh. Kahit na out of system talaga sila, nagagawa ng paraan at napapa-under pa rin yung medal. Because they practice every day, they live in the same dorm. Kaya ano sila close sila off and on the court.
That's outside, and the PNP gains a 2-point lead, hoping to seal the deal with 3 sets here. That's loaded, but out of misdirected. Nabitawan na yan. Magsambol. Looks like she's ready to return. And very quickly pulls out Yvonne Reyes. Oh, that's inside. We're tied. That's 16.
Misread yun by the libero of the PNP.
Yeah. Then Shako. There's Limchaco again. Oliveros, De Leon. They have to shoot it over. Too close. Salas.
cover.
Salas again. De Leon. Pabalinas. Hindi tumawid.
Tinamaan sa mukha si Tin Bangkola doon.
Sakit yun kasi
Ayun.
misting yan. In the meantime, Gomez returns for Salas.
Pero pag volleyball player ka, wala yun.
Wala. Shake it up, shake it up.
Correct.
Here's Santa Maria. It's out of control. That's her second service error. Paginado will come in, as well as Padilla. You know, when you change Bangkola with Padilla, you suddenly have a taller front line.
Yeah. Yun yung gusto ni coach Full front line.
Tapos Paginado can dart in despite the fact she's back row now. And the hot serve. And that's a blessing if you're just coming into the game. 18-17 all of a sudden. Lizelle's second serve. Free ball coming. Beach volleyball shot. Santa Maria will have to reach for it. That's long.
Oh, it's long. Few adjustments lang ang kailangan.
Good intention, pero tabla sa 18.
Nice.
Lugan.
Oo, ang ganda naman nun. Kita niya two blockers will come after her. Kaya linagay niya yung bola dun sa posisyon ng blocker. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, good
PNP caught,
save.
PNP caught napping there.
Good save by Abarientos. Look at this. Hinabol lang talaga niya yun para maipasok.
Tabla sa 19. Tinaas. Good lift up by Limshaco around Kilio.
Good dig.
Ay!
Napalakad na lang doon si Coach Ralph. Ito yung mga errors na ayaw mong i-commit ng players kasi it's a simple ball over.
At saka, eto na yung home stretch na yung set eh.
Oo. It's over.
Regalo. Ay, hindi na baon. Nalulungkot ako pagka hindi nababaon ng regalo.
Oo nga. Sayang.
Ah!
Tejada kanina pa siya no in the middle.
Yeah.
Whether it's Bangkola or Paginado.
Yan ang mga bating at veterano ng PNP, si Tejada at saka si Padilla.
Hindi ka nga lang kasi nakaganon ka lang o tinitingnan mo lang. Ayaw mong babaan, ayaw mo silipin. Kasi pagka tumaas, madali mo na maangat. Kasi yung nakatawa kang ganun, tapos dadaan na lang sa gilid-gilid mo. Diba? Yun lang naman yung pupwestuhan mo, hindi ka naman mag-block eh. Kung gusto mo, bumlock ka na lang para at least kahit pa paano, may pakinabang ka. Kasi sa'yo na dinadala. One stop tayo, kumuha ka ng receipt, dalawa kayo. Rumisip ka na lang din, umangat ka rito, angat mo siya Dana para maka-receive siya. Dana, pilitin mo yung
Sige po.
Hindi kasi spot yung pinoprotektahan ng isang player inside the court. It's the zone. So you have to cover the entire zone. 1 to 6 yan. So depende kung saan ka nakalagay. That's why kanina pa sinasabi ni Coach Ralph, kailangan gumagalaw ka. Kaya nga, di ba, parati ko rin itong sinasabi sa mga teams na kino-coach ko. Huwag niyong susmulin yung mga training ng back step, side step. Kasi naku, gagamitin yan sa game.
Exactly. Ronquillo has to run into it. Magsumbol wants to go to the back row. Ronquillo lifts it high. Oliveros, Gomez, Paginado, long rally, and it dies in the water.
Yung tira ni number 15 Padilla ng PNP, si Malu Padilla, hindi ganun kalakas pero maganda yung placement.
Saka nakaka-intimidate siya, matangkad siya dyan sa net eh.
Oo.
And a service ace. And look at this, the PNP beginning to make some big steps towards the finish line after being behind in this set for a big part of it. And disappointing for the DFA, but they're still alive and kicking. They get that point via a long serve.
Pero ang dami na rin nagawang hits and points ni Oliveros. So you forgive her for that long serve.
Ronquillo's blast handled well. Paginado turns around. They call double contact.
Makikita mo rin kasi yun sa ikot ng bola eh.
Umikot kasi rin siya eh. Diba? Pag-ikot niya, hindi pa eksakto siyang planted.
Oo. Importante talaga planted yung feet.
Good. Better set. Regalo. Hindi nakita. Oliveros. Lifts it for Ronquillo. And he'll score. And we arrive at match point.
Yeah, nicely done by Ronquillo. Nakita niya yung blocker in front of her. So she went for a cross court knowing that the blocker is watching her down the line.
There's a slight issue here.
Oh, maybe it's her hand. Oh, hand ni Magsumbol.
Yeah, kasi siyempre infection control yan.
Oo, pero okay pa.
Oh.
Yan, there's blood.
Out of control. 24-22. Oh, but it's it in. We're done.
It's inside.
Very anticlimactic.
Ito yung nangyari. Si Padilla went for that long serve. Akala mo outside, but it kissed the line. So PNP takes this match in 3 sets.
And the final count is 25-21, 25-14, 25-21, and 7 Chicky still have 8 straight games that are just 3 sets. I'm counting! Sino best player, madam?
Siyempre si Oliveros.